Winter weather is impacting disaster recovery in several counties. FEMA says new operating hours will affect Floyd, Harlan, Knott, Letcher, Martin, and Pike counties. Inspections, disaster recovery centers, mobile registration intake centers, and FEMA disaster survivor assistance teams will resume operations at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Those teams are on the ground helping survivors recover from the devastating floods that tore through the region in February.
Allie Root is in Knott County, where one of several disaster recovery centers is located.
Here in Knott County and in surrounding areas, applications are being processed daily to help jumpstart the recovery process for those heavily impacted by the floods. FEMA specialists are set up at centers across 7 counties, meeting face-to-face with survivors.
Something that may seem small to your neighbor is drastically different to your other neighbor. So that's why whenever we have these presidentially declared events, we approach it as though it's your worst day.
Craig Browning says representatives are walking people step by step through the application process and answering any questions they may have along the way. But he encourages people to be proactive about documenting damage, even before turning to FEMA for help.
Take pictures, get out the trusty pen and pad and document, save any receipts for items that you purchased to help with your cleanup and your recovery.
And even if you receive a message that you are ineligible for FEMA assistance at first,
don't stop reading there. Read all the way to the bottom. 9 times out of 10, it's something simple. We need that insurance determination letter, right? Because we can't duplicate benefits. Maybe we just need a photocopy of a driver's license or proof of ownership, proof you even own the property.
So far, FEMA has approved more than $9 million in housing and other types of assistance, helping more than 1,200 Kentucky households.
We need to hear your story. We want to know how this impacts your specific family and also to get you on that road to recovery.
Browning says the disaster recovery centers will be open as long as there's a need. In Knott County, Allie Root, Fox 56 News.